To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Achieving happiness is a state of mind. It's about paying attention to your feelings in the present and carefully observing your thoughts without judging. It is the opposite of letting your life pass you by and instead living in the moment. It is also known as mindfulness. A person that's mindful and content doesn't mean never having issues they're having to deal with, like fears or guilt. Rather, a person that's happy is one who decides to stay away from the things that are trying to hold them back, and instead surrounds themselves with people and habits that motivate them and provide them with strong support for their goals. So, what are some of the mindful habits of the world's happiest people? Here are the 5 best ones. Meditate. Meditation helps you connect to your core and centers you in the moment. When life feels overwhelming and issues try to take you away from your happiness, meditation will help you stay grounded. It is all right if you need help practicing with meditation, because thankfully there are a number of apps which can help you meditate, such as Headspace and Calm. Stay in the present. It is tempting to worry about the future or beat yourself up about past mistakes, but all you have to do is stay in the moment. So stay present and act based on now. When you eat, focus on your food and relish the taste. When you exercise, focus on your muscles and feel the power of your body while you exercise. Even when in meetings, avoid wandering thoughts and stay in the moment. Pay attention to your emotions. When you have a feeling, good or bad, check in on your body to know the source of your feelings. By doing this, you can take time to process a feeling and choose whether or not to remain in the feeling or to do something to alleviate it. A mindful person gets angry, but they do not react to the anger in a toxic manner. Instead, they check in on their body and find the source of the anger. They also choose to remain in the anger or find a remedy to what is causing the anger. Hence, mindful people are rarely out of control. Practice journaling. The process of writing down events in your life helps you stay aware of what's happening around you and how it makes you feel. You can journal every night before bed or anytime something noteworthy comes up. Reduce your exposure to social media. Many people do not know that their social media exposure can be detrimental to their mental health and happiness. A mindful habit to practice is scheduling unplug time, where you can take time off social media to concentrate on yourself and the things that matter to you. Have more habits? Share them in the comments below. Other mindfulness habits you practice to stay happy. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.